Use this interactive table to practice skip counting. It's also a good introduction to multiplication. Pick a number to make your first row of blocks. How about 6? We have one row of 6. Stack your rows, skip counting as you go. To add a row, click right above the current total. Now we have 2 rows of 6, and the new total is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. Let's add 6 more. 12 plus 6 is 18. Skip counting up is addition. Keep adding the same amount over and over. You can go all the way up to 10 rows. Try to think of the next number before you see it. We have 18, and if we add another row of 6, what's the next number? 24. The numbers at the end of each row are called multiples. 6, 12, 18, and 24 are all multiples of 6. Pretty soon, you'll be skip counting the multiples quickly. Always try to anticipate the new total before you see it. That's the key. 30, 36, 42. Can you see that skip counting up is addition? But at any point, you can also change direction and skip count down, which is subtraction. To take away a row, in other words, to subtract it, click on the current total, the row you want to take away. Take away one row of 6. 42, take away 6, is 36. Subtract another row of 6. 36 minus 6 is 30. The opposite of addition is subtraction. At first, skip counting down is pretty tough, but with some practice, it will get easier and easier. 24, 18, 12. Let's change direction again to practice adding. Addition is the opposite of subtraction. So, what's the next multiple of 6? 18. For every row, add 6 more. I'm going to go really fast, but you can go as fast or as slow as you need to. 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Does it make sense that this is addition and subtraction? But at the very beginning of this video, I said this table can also help with multiplication. Let's pause the activity and think about it. Multiplication is just another way to look at the same math situation. Remember, there are 48 blocks right now, but focus on how many are in the first row. 6. That number is important because we are practicing multiples of 6. But the other number that's important is the number of rows. Let's count how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we have 6 in a row, and there are 8 rows, the total is 48. That's multiplication. 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. The X symbol is one way to show multiplication in math. Six times 8 is 48. If this is confusing, don't worry. After you get really good at skip counting, it will be clear that multiplication is just another way to look at the same math situation. It's like a shortcut. Let's do another example. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. And one last example. 6 times 2 equals 12. Like skip counting, the shortcut is really memorization and repetition. Eventually, you'll just remember all the common combinations. Speaking of remembering, Do you recall 6 multiplied by 8? It's 48. Let's get back to the activity and refocus on skip counting. Whether you're adding rows or taking them away, always try to think of the number before you see it. Let's skip count down. What multiple of 6 comes before 48? 42. 48 minus 6 is 42. What multiple of 6 comes before 42? 36. 42 minus 6 is 36. And before 36, 30. And before 30, well, if you want a hint, you can always glance at the first number in the current row and subtract 1. The first number in this row is 25. What number comes right before 25? 24. But don't look if you don't have to. Let's continue. 18, 12, 6, and 0, which is also a multiple of 6. There are 0 rows of 6, which is 0. Now you can start over with another number. How about 2? After 0, the first multiple of 2 is 2. Now, I'm really good at counting by 2, but you can feel free to go as fast or as slow as you need to. No pressure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.